Welcome to our in-depth review of the BMW S Series, a luxurious and performance-driven lineup designed to redefine driving pleasure. Whether you're looking for cutting-edge technology, unmatched comfort, or thrilling performance, the BMW S Series delivers an unparalleled driving experience. Let's dive into the details and explore what makes the series truly exceptional. Body panels. The BMW S Series showcases precision engineering with sleek, athletic body panels that provide a balanced combination of form and function. The low-slung design and sculpted edges reduce drag, improving aerodynamics while enhancing the car's aggressive stance. Headlights. The S Series features BMW's iconic LED headlights with adaptive high beams and laser light technology. These lights offer superior visibility at night, with the ability to adjust to road conditions and traffic for optimal safety. Taillights. At the rear, the S Series boasts distinctive L-shaped LED taillights that create a bold, unmistakable signature. The lights are designed not only for style but also to provide high visibility in all weather conditions. Grille. The signature kidney grille is a hallmark of the BMW S Series, accentuating its premium appearance. The grille design integrates air intakes that optimize cooling while enhancing the car's dynamic performance. Mirrors. The mirrors on the S Series are power-folding and come with automatic dimming, memory settings, and integrated turn signals. Additionally, they feature a blind spot detection system for safer lane changes. Seats. Inside, the BMW S Series offers customizable leather upholstery with heated, ventilated, and massaging seats for both front and rear passengers. High-grade materials and ergonomic designs ensure comfort on even the longest journeys. Dashboard. The driver-focused dashboard in the S Series combines high-quality materials with a minimalist layout. The digital cockpit features a 12.3-inch curved display that integrates seamlessly with the infotainment system and driver assist controls. Infotainment system. The BMW iDrive 8 system offers a 14.9-inch touchscreen, providing seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and BMW's own navigation system. Voice control, gesture controls, and intuitive menus enhance the user experience. Climate control. With a fully automatic dual-zone climate control system, passengers enjoy independent temperature settings for the front and rear areas. A 4-zone climate control option is also available for ultimate comfort. Steering wheel. The multi-function steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather and includes controls for audio, navigation, and hands-free calls. For enhanced driving pleasure, it also comes with paddle shifters for manual gear control. Engine. The BMW S Series offers a variety of powerful engines ranging from a 2.0 liters turbocharged inline-4 to a high-performance 4.4 liters V8. These engines provide exhilarating performance with impressive acceleration and smooth power delivery. Transmission. Paired with a responsive 8-speed automatic transmission, the BMW S Series ensures seamless gear shifts for both daily commutes and spirited driving. Additionally, a manual transmission option is available for those who crave the ultimate driving experience. Hybrid option. For those seeking efficiency without sacrificing performance, the Hybrid S Series combines a combustion engine with an electric motor. The plug-in hybrid variant offers extended electric-only driving for city commutes and reduced emissions. Exhaust system. The S Series features a high-performance exhaust system that delivers a balanced mix of aggressive sound and refinement, enhancing both the driving experience and aesthetic appeal. Airbags. Safety is paramount in the S Series, equipped with up to 10 airbags strategically positioned to protect occupants in various scenarios. BMW's active protection system further enhances safety by pre-tensioning seatbelts and adjusting the seats in critical situations. Safety features. The BMW S Series includes a suite of driver assist technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, parking assist, and a 360-degree camera system. These features provide advanced safety and convenience for all driving situations. Parking assist. Parking in tight spaces is effortless with BMW's advanced park distance control, PDC, and surround view camera, which provides real-time 360-degree visuals for a seamless parking experience. Battery. The hybrid S Series features a high-capacity lithium-ion battery with fast charging capabilities. This allows for efficient charging through home charging stations or public networks, enhancing the car's range and sustainability. Lighting. The BMW S Series incorporates full LED lighting for both exterior and interior applications. Adaptive headlights, automatic high beams, and LED fog lights improve visibility and overall safety in all driving conditions. Suspension and handling. The adaptive M Sport suspension system offers precise handling with multiple driving modes to suit different road conditions. Additionally, the Dynamic Stability Control (DSC) system ensures a smooth, comfortable ride even during sharp turns or rough terrain. Brakes. Equipped with advanced braking systems, the BMW S Series features ventilated disc brakes with excellent stopping power. The inclusion of regenerative braking in the hybrid models further enhances efficiency. Wheels and tires. High-performance alloy wheels ranging from 18 to 21 inches are available, along with a variety of tire options designed for maximum grip and performance in both wet and dry conditions. Trunk space. The S Series offers a spacious trunk with a power opening feature for effortless access. Folding rear seats provide increased cargo capacity, making it ideal for long trips or carrying larger loads. Roof rails. Optional roof rails enhance the versatility of the S Series, allowing you to carry additional cargo such as luggage, bicycles, or sports equipment for outdoor adventures. Pricing. The BMW S Series starts at a competitive price point for the base model, with various trim levels like the M Sport and luxury trims available for those seeking premium features and enhanced performance. The plug-in hybrid version comes at a premium, but offers long-term savings and sustainability. Release date. The 2025 BMW S Series is expected to arrive in dealerships in the second half of 2025, offering a host of exciting updates and innovations.